Hello, it's Saturday night. What is it? May 5th, 6th, something like that. I haven't even looked at a calendar in a couple days. Been up in Viola at a men's retreat up here, and it started snowing. It's still snowing. We've had a good 12, 14, maybe about 12 hours of snow. So we've got about 14 inches up here. So can't really see the vehicles, but the cars are kind of scattered around here in the parking lot. And a guy kind of spinning around trying to make some paths. But we got about a good 14 inches, I'm thinking. Could be more. And it's still snowing. So it's pretty amazing. Just wanted to share what this looks like around here. It's starting to come down again too. There's been a couple of vehicles stuck on the highway over here, the Viola Highway 44. Had a car kind of plowing through here. It was an all-wheel drive something. Kind of working his way through. He didn't get stuck, but he's worked his way through here. It's a little bit wet. It's probably, anyway, just pretty amazing. Just some beautiful, beautiful snow coming down. And I got some war paint. We had a kind of a men's thing this evening, which was a pretty amazing experience. Ice bath. And oh yeah, here's the snow that came down here. So I don't know if you can see my boot. So it's almost at knee height. So anyhow, I'll send some more pictures. All right, God bless.